SlickPie is a solid accounting software, but before you make a purchase, there are 12 things you should know to ensure it's the right fit for your business. Stick around until the end, and we'll compare it to some of its top competitors so you can make an informed decision. The first thing you need to know is that SlickPie offers an intuitive interface, making it easy to use for small business owners or those who aren't accounting experts. Unlike some other tools that have steep learning curves, SlickPie simplifies the process. However, if you need more advanced features, you might find it a bit lacking compared to software like QuickBooks or Xero. Next thing to consider, it offers free features, including invoicing and expense tracking, which is a huge plus for startups or businesses on a budget. This is one area where SlickPie really stands out, as most competitors, like FreshBooks, charge for similar functionality. But if you're scaling quickly, you may eventually need to upgrade to the paid version to access more features. The third thing to note is SlickPie's tax management. It automates the process of calculating taxes, which can be a lifesaver when filing your returns. Still, if you're dealing with complex tax scenarios or have multiple locations, it might not be as robust as something like Xero or TaxSlayer. Next, let's talk about the integration options. SlickPie does integrate with PayPal, Stripe, and a few other payment processors. But if you rely on a wider array of third-party apps, you might find SlickPie somewhat limited in this area, especially when compared to other options like QuickBooks Online or Zoho Books, which offer much broader integration libraries. The fifth thing you should know is that SlickPie's mobile app is available for both Android and iOS. It's helpful for managing your finances on the go, but it doesn't have the same level of polish or depth as some competitors like FreshBooks. If you want a more powerful mobile experience, you may need to explore other tools. The sixth thing to consider is its reporting features. SlickPie provides essential financial reports, including profit and loss, balance sheets, and tax reports. However, it's not as detailed as other accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero, which offer more granular reporting options. Now, on to the seventh thing, multi-currency support. If you do business internationally, SlickPie has limited options for handling multiple currencies. For more complex needs, you might want to check out alternatives like Xero, which has stronger multi-currency functionality. The eighth point to consider is customer support. SlickPie's support is generally good, with live chat and email support available. However, for those who need more immediate or detailed help, the response times can be a little slower compared to the premium support you might get from tools like FreshBooks. Next up, the ninth thing is its security features. SlickPie uses standard encryption to keep your data safe, but it doesn't offer as many security layers as some competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, which offer two-factor authentication and other advanced measures. The 10th thing you need to know is about SlickPie's invoicing capabilities. It's simple and easy to customize, but if you need more advanced features, like automated recurring invoices or advanced invoice templates, other tools like FreshBooks might be a better fit. The 11th thing, SlickPie offers a basic free plan, but if you need more users, advanced features, or additional integrations, you'll have to opt for the paid plan. It's a reasonable price, but still something to keep in mind if you're comparing it to free alternatives like Wave. And the final thing to know is that SlickPie is cloud-based, which means you can access your data from anywhere, anytime. However, compared to some other cloud accounting tools, it doesn't have as many customization options or flexibility in terms of managing complex accounts. SlickPie can be a great choice for smaller businesses or those looking for a simple solution at an affordable price. But if you want something with more advanced features and integrations, we recommend checking out our top-rated solution that offers a free trial. This might be the better option for growing businesses that need more flexibility and scalability.